In previous video, I have been given task to add back or add it up, which are the stock you feel that need to be analyzed, but you have been missed by using this concept like creating a stock universe by using a top 15 market capitalization technique. Okay, within this 215 stock, okay, in 215 stocks, some of them are missed. You feel that some of them are missed. Okay, I hope you maybe added 1 or 2 or 10 15 stocks, okay, which have been missed by using this particular technique, and you thought of investigate, or you thought of analyze and build a portfolio. Why it is important to add back? Because when I have been cross checked, okay, which are the stock which has been missed, I have been found that 15 stocks, 15 value stock is nothing but currently they are undervalued, in the sense their prices are available at lowest price, okay, compared to the other competitor, and once the market find they are worthy, the stock price will boom, in the sense they will go up. Okay, these stocks are called as a value stock. Currently they are not recognized by the investors, okay, they are trading at a lowest price, and when the investors start recognizing those stocks, the price will goes up. Okay, those stocks are called as a value stocks. Okay, those stocks have been missed. Around 15 stocks like Karnataka Bank, BHEL, Ashok Leyland, Biocon, Colgate, United Spirits, Cipla, Tata Motors, UPL. These are the 15 stocks. These are the 15 stocks we have been missed. We have been missed in a stock universe constructed by using a market capitalization concept. There is a 15 top market capitalization concept what we followed in a previous video. In that we have been missed this 15 stock, this 15 value stock, which I feel you may be feeling another 5 stocks to be added. Okay, there's nothing wrong in that. It is not like only 15 stocks are value stocks. No, there are many other value stocks also. You may be felt that they need to be added and to the universe for analysis. What I suggest to you, okay, anyhow you have this file, okay, add back all those stocks which you feel that need to be analyzed, okay, add all the stocks here. Okay, add all the stocks here which need to be analyzed, okay, you feel that it need to be analyzed. Okay, that is a one thing. In the sense, what I'm trying to say here, the universe you have been created by using a top 15 concept, market capitalization concept, is not ultimate one. You can add it or you can delete it also, some of the stocks. Okay, you can do that one. The authority is there. Second thing, there is a misconception about a market cap. Okay, there is a misconception about a market cap. What generally investors think that higher the market cap, better for the investment. It is not true all the time. Sometimes market cap higher the market cap, there is a chance of overvaluation also. Due to overvaluation, the prices are like 2 times the worth it may be trading. Okay, so that what will happen at the end of the day, you may be losing when market recognize, all the investors recognize the stock is overvaluated and we need to take it out from the portfolio. All are start selling and its price will fall the moment you have been brought. Okay, so your portfolio will be in a negative. To avoid that one, you have to understand this concept. The higher the market capitalization is not a parameter to select the stock. In the sense, only for the screening purpose we have been used here. Not for a selection. Okay, we are not going to select the stock based on their market capitalization. Okay, higher the capitalization, in the sense top 10 companies I will select and invest. No, it will be a overvaluated stock will be there. Some of the other stock may be having a better for your requirement, better for your way of investment. For your aggressive investor or you are a conservative investor, based on that, okay, there may be a few stocks which are suitable for you, okay, in that particular universe, but according to the higher the market capitalization, you may be avoiding those stocks. Okay, for that reason we have to clear about that. It is not like that market capital, higher the market capitalization, better for the investment. No, okay, there will be a problem of overvaluation. We have to know that one. There will be a problem of overvaluation. Okay, for that reason we need to consider other factors for selecting a stocks out of a universe. Okay, out of the universe we will be using other factors. We will discuss one by one those factors, which are the factors to be considered for aggressive investor separately and value investor separately. We'll discuss the we'll bifurcate two investors separately, and we'll discuss about factors which need to be considered by the aggressive investor for analysis and value investor for analysis. Okay, here you have to clear about two things. The stock universe created by using a market capitalization is not ultimate. You can add which are the stock you have been missed by using market capitalization technique, which worth you think that worth, you can add it. Okay, second thing is about a misconception about market cap. Higher the market cap, better for investment. No, there is a problem of overvaluation along with the market capitalization. For that reason we have to consider other factor for the valuation or for considering for the screening and building a portfolio. Task for this particular video, okay, before going to the next video, try to get the profit after tax. Profit after tax is nothing but net profit. For all the 219 companies, okay, profit after tax for all the 219 companies for 5 years, last 5 years, like 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, like that. Last 5 years, profit after tax, in the sense net profit detail you have to take. Try to get how much it's possible, that much you can get it done. Okay, then I will show you from where you can identify those information and paste it. Okay, or how to analyze that profit after tax will be discussed in a next video.